Hello, I am LEYA, a seasoned trader and the founder of my own trading school. On this channel, I share simple yet profitable strategies, analyze trading scenarios, and provide useful tips to help increase your win rate. Well, today I will share one of my favorite strategies, which can easily double your deposit by 200% or more. To implement this strategy, you'll need the RSI indicator and trading account with a broker. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It's named this way because it measures the ratio of average gains to average losses. The formula for calculating RSI is quite complex, but you don't need to know it. RSI is calculated automatically. Well, and the trader sees only an active line below the chart. RSI helps determine if currency, stocks or commodities are overbought or oversold. So, overbought means the price has risen too much. Due to the high price, fewer people want to buy the assets, while those who already have it want to sell it at high price. This means fewer buyers and more sales, increasing the likelihood of a price drop. Oversold indicates that the price has fallen significantly. At such times, more people want to buy the assets, and the price may start to rise. Another cool and popular indicator is the MACD. So many prefer using it instead of RSI, but I disagree with this choice. Firstly, RSI is much simpler than MACD. It's calculating using a very simple yet highly effective formula, whereas MACD requires several more parameters for calculation. Secondly, MACD has something similar to overbought and oversold signals, but they are much less clear than RSIs. MACD is not designed for such signals, although they are considered very important in trading. Guys, these two arguments are enough to justify studying the strategy you are about to learn. Yes, MACD is a strong indicator, but it's quite complex, so I recommend studying it later. To show you how good RSI is, I'll demonstrate a quick trade with a brief explanation, and then we will move on to a more advanced version. Here I immediately open a buy trade based on the indicator's signal and explain why. First, let's set up the indicator. Go to the list with this button and select RSI from the list below. In this field, change the level values to 80 and 20 for more accurate signals. The indicator is displayed below as a curved line with two levels. The RSI line shows growth and is oversold zone. There is two-factor signal and upward trade. The trade lasted only a minute, so I didn't have to wait long, and I already made a profit. The signal I entered on is called divergence. On the indicator, I saw not only that it was in the oversold zone. Divergence is considered the strongest signals. It indicates an accumulation of hidden strength in the price. The indicator starts moving in the opposite direction to the chart, predicting that the price will soon follow. So, combining divergence with the oversold zone makes an extremely powerful signal. In this trade, we have a bullish divergence, when the chart is either falling or flat, and the RSI line is rising. If the indicator is in the oversold zone and its line starts to rise while the price is either flat or continues to fall, this is a bearish divergence, indicating an imminent price drop. Guys, if you want to learn more about divergence, oversold and overbought levels and study other strategies, join my Telegram channel, where you can receive daily trading signals, trading materials, and even ask me questions directly. Now let's see how make the RSI strategy more advanced and profitable, while keeping it simple. Remember, then choosing an asset to trade, its profitability should be no less than 80%, and the asset itself should be liquid. Liquid currency pairs include those with popular currencies from countries with strong economies. To use the advanced strategy, first set the RSI indicators and change its period to 10, with levels at 80 and 20. Then set up a second RSI with levels also at 80 and 20, but with a period of 55. Now let's look at the signals we will catch on the chart. Here I entered a buy trade, because both indicators gave a signal. First, Notice this indicator. It should be very close to one of the levels. Here, it's near the oversold zone. The fast indicator with a period of 10 will show divergence. In this case, the RSI line is rising noticeably, while the chart shows a decline. This is called a bullish divergence, after which traders expect an upward reversal. Here, the signal worked 100%. The price skyrocketed and I made a good profit. Even though this is an advanced strategy, you can make it even more precise. For example, if a divergence occurs at a key support or resistance level, it's almost guaranteed profit. Okay, to reinforce what we've learned and earn a bit more, let's open another quick trade using the two RSIs. The chart situation is similar to the theory we discussed. I see a clear buy signal on a sufficiently liquid trading pair with 91% profitability, an excellent option for practicing. The slow RSI is near the oversold level. The fast indicator with a period of 10 is starting to rise from the oversold zone. This indicates that the price will soon reverse. Yes, this time there is no divergence, so we rely solely on the fact that the RSI line with the longer period approached the oversold zone, and the line with a period of 10 crossed it. And you can use such a signal without divergence, but I recommend waiting for it. It makes the signal much stronger. Even without divergence, the trade turned out profitable. Yeah! Instead of divergence, I noticed that the price hit a support level, meaning it fell to price where it previously started to rise. This suggests that large players start buying the asset around the price range, which both our indicators confirm. Well guys, that's all I can share about levels for now. This is a crucial part of technical analysis. So make sure to join my Telegram channel via the link in the description, where I offer detailed analysis of trades using support and resistance levels. You'll also learn how to identify them on charts and master a few strategies that incorporate them. Everything would be incredibly simple if the strategy only involved in the technical aspect, such as waiting for indicator signals. You might have heard that 50% or even 70% of a trade's outcome depends on the trader's psychological state. Your emotions can overflow during trading, causing you to see RSI signals where none exist. To avoid this, you need to know precisely what a divergence and overbought or oversold signal looks like. Additionally, your strategy should be detailed step by step, and initially you should verify each step before entering a trade. This will help to develop trading discipline. Emotions often trap traders. They rush or get greedy, opening as many trades as possible based on incomplete signals. For example, one RSI shows a signal, but the other hasn't formed yet. Don't let your emotions drive you to make foolish trades. Guys, please, check your strategy at each step. Listen, your emotions will have no room to take over if you follow your strategy, as it yields significantly more profitable signals than unsuccessful ones. Understanding that long-term profitability is assured will prevent emotional trading. Realizing this will enable you to easily increase your deposit by 200% or more. Ask yourself after hearing what I've told you. Isn't trading difficult? Is it worth trying? I'm sure you already know the answer. Working with the double RSI strategy and the trades I just showed you prove that it's very straightforward. The indicator is easy to learn and set up, and its signals are so simple that even a fifth grader can understand them. All that's left is to open an account with a broker, practice a bit on a demo account, and start making real money! Guys, you know, copying strategies is great, but remember, if you don't keep learning, you will quickly get bored. Traders only become professionals when they start understanding the market, its mechanisms, and the factors driving price movements. I don't want to say that, but guys, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. For those who want more trading materials and answers to most of their questions, join my Telegram channel. I'll make sure to respond to everyone there. I wish you great profits and success in mastering the strategy. Goodbye!